Hello, fellow learners and tech enthusiasts. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a project that's designed to empower students and showcase their incredible talents, the SRT Project Gallery. Picture a digital hub where innovation, creativity, and collaboration thrive. Get ready to dive into a world where projects come to life and learning knows no bounds. Alright, let's see the SRT Project Gallery in action. So, what makes the SRT Project Gallery a game changer? Imagine having a central platform where students across disciplines can proudly showcase their projects, from ingenious apps to groundbreaking research. And the best part? It's not just about displaying finished work, it's a dynamic space that encourages collaboration and sparks conversations. But that's not all. With easy navigation in project categories, finding inspiration and connecting with like-minded students becomes a breeze. It's a digital gallery that encapsulates our college's spirit of creativity and knowledge sharing. Let's rewind to a moment when the idea for the SRT Project Gallery was ignited. As a student myself, I often marveled at the amazing projects my peers were working on. I realized that we needed a platform to not only celebrate their hard work but also inspire others. That's when the vision for the SRT Project Gallery was born, a space that fosters innovation and sparks curiosity among all of us. Let's dive into the tech behind our digital gallery. We've harnessed modern web development tools to create a seamless user experience. A clean and intuitive interface allows you to explore projects effortlessly. Behind the scenes, databases store project details, enabling quick searches and filtering. As I look back on the journey of creating the SRT Project Gallery, I'm reminded that the heart of education is not just absorbing knowledge, but actively contributing to it. This project has shown me the power of collaboration, the joy of discovery, and the immense potential within each of us. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the SRT Project Gallery, don't forget to subscribe for more updates.